Welcome back everybody. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create this cool white flash cut rotoscope effect in After Effects. Click on the clip, head over here to the roto brush tool, double click on our effect right here. And I'm gonna head towards the beginning of our clip and I'm just gonna do a quick roto brush right here of him with the gun. And I'm just gonna highlight everything. I'm just going to do a quick rough roto brush, and then on this I'm actually going to build off of it and just start cutting it out. Just want to trace it. So once after I'm doing a simple rotoscope right here, it's not the best looking right here. It's quite rough, but I'm going to show you how to really fix up these edges right here. But first I'm going to go through and just play through our clip, and you just want to get rid of these small imperfections or mistakes. So about right here. So I'm gonna get rid of that. Once after I'm done going through our frames, I'm actually gonna head over to our effects control right here. I'm just gonna go over to our composition. I'm gonna increase our feather a bit, and then I'm actually gonna bring down our shift edge. And what basically this is just gonna do, it's once we increase it, you can see that it starts to bulge back out. Once we decrease it, it starts to go back in. So you just want to feather it out a good amount, and I'm not feather it out, put the shift edge down and actually feather it so you get a more clean roto brush. Once after I'm done roto brushing Rich Murray out, I'm going to duplicate our clip right here. I'm going to head down to our our clip on the bottom. I'm going to get rid of our roto brush right here, and I'm going to go over to our clip on the top. I'm going to close this out right here, and then I'm going to add fill. And if you really want, you can add other things, like add black, white, multiple other things. What I'm actually going to do to fix this a bit more better is I'm going to get rid of our shift edge. I might increase it a bit. Might increase it just to max it out. So like this simple mistakes right here where the dreads are popping out. I increase the feather a bit. So yeah, you could just basically change the color to what color you want. So let's say I could change it to red, just for this example. I'm gonna head over to glow. I'm gonna go down here, add glow. I'm go over to radius, and then I'm gonna add 87. And it's gonna add this cool glow effect right here. And basically in order for this effect, I'm just gonna head over to part of the video. So I'm guessing about right here. I'm gonna delete that from part of our clip, and I'm just gonna cut through our sections right here. So it's gonna give this cool effect where it's cutting out. And you could do it for a lot of these parts right here. So if you really want a flickering effect, you could just go through our clips right here, and I'm actually gonna do one more time, and I'm gonna delete these two clips right here. So it's gonna give this cool flickering effect. So I'm gonna cut it through here. I'm gonna leave a 2 frame right here. I mean 2 frames of the red roto brush out. I'm gonna roto brush out right there. Then I'm gonna head over to our end of our clip, cut it once again, so it's about right here, and then I'm gonna do the same flickering effect I showed right here. So I'm gonna go right here, so you can see how the red cutout looks. You can do it with different colors. So again, you want to head over to your fill, and for this one I'm gonna do white. So I'm gonna head over to each clip that you cut out. I'm just gonna head over here, go right here, put it on white. Yeah, it's gonna be the same effect with just a different color. That is all I have for today's tutorial, guys. Make sure to subscribe, like, or leave a comment. I'm uploading 3 to 4 times a week. That is all for today. I'll see you guys in the next video, and peace out.